How to add sitemap to Google Search Console in WordPress. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to add sitemap to Google Search Console in WordPress. So without further ado, let us begin. So the first thing that we need to do is to install an extension called Sitekit. So to do that, just go to extensions right here or plugins and then just click on add an extension or add a plugin. And then after that, what you want to do is to just search up for Sitekit. And then after that, what you want to do now is to download the Sitekit by Google. So just click on install right here and then just activate it. And then once you're done installing the plugin, you will now see that Sitekit will be right here. So just open that up, go to the dashboard, and then you'll be redirected here. So we will need to configure your Sitekit. So it says right here, get insights on how people find your site, as well as how to improve and monetize your site's content directly in the WordPress dashboard. So the first thing that you need to do is to connect Google Analytics as part of your setup. So enable Google Analytics to track how much traffic your site gets and see how visitors explore it. So just check this and then just sign in with your Google account. And then after that, it will ask you to validate that you own the site. So just click on to validate and then there you go. And next thing that you need to do is enable metrics in your dashboard. So just click on to allow and then there you go. So it says right here, it already has been added to Search Console. So just click on following and then after that configure Google Analytics. So just click on following and then there you go. So after that, what we need to do now is to connect our Google Analytics account. So to do that, what you want to do is just go to the Google Sitekit again and go to settings. So it says right here that our Search Console is connected and our Page Speed Insights is connected, but our Google Analytics is not yet connected. So we should just set this up. So just click on complete setup for Google Analytics and then you'll be redirected here and then just click on create an account, choose your Gmail account, and then after that all of our accounts is connected. So when I go to settings over here, it says right here that all of my accounts have been connected. So after that, what we need to do now is just stay here in the settings, click on Search Console, and then after that, just go to see full details in Search Console. And then after that, we will be redirected here. And then as you can see over here, our website right here on WordPress is now connected to the Google Search Console. So after that, let us now install our sitemap, or let us add our sitemap. So to do that, what you want to do is just go back to your WordPress and let us add an extension called Ranked Math. So to do that, again, just go to extensions, add an extension, and then from here, just search up for Ranked Math. So just search it right here in the search bar. And then after that, just install this Ranked Math SEO right here. Click on install now, and then just activate the plugin. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So it will ask you to connect your free accounts. We can just skip that for now. And then after that, it will ask you to do the setup. So I'll just skip all of this. Let's just go back to the dashboard. And then there you go. We are now in the dashboard of Ranked Math. And then once you're in this dashboard right here, all you have to do is just scroll down until you see Site Plan right here. So what you want to do is make sure that this is switched to on. And then after that, just click on settings. And then after that, you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do is just copy this link right here, right click, copy. So just copy your sitemap. So just copy this, go back to Google Search Console, and then just go to Sitemaps right here, and then you'll be redirected here. So after that, what you want to do is to just paste in the URL that you copied from the sitemap settings in Ranked Math. So just copy that, and then after that, what you want to do is to just remove this part right here since it's already added. So just remove this. And then just leave the sitemap section and then just click on submit. And then it will start submitting the sitemap and then there you go. So it says right here, sitemap submitted successfully. So just click on dismiss. And then as you can see that the status is couldn't fetch. So all we have to do right now is to wait like within 24 hours until the status says success. And then after that, you are now done. So yeah, you're now done in setting up your sitemap for your Google Search Console for your WordPress website. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add sitemap to Google Search Console in WordPress.